one of the key things that Millennium Alliance does is they connect you with what they call delegates. For me, that's a potential client who is interested in what we do. And so I get to sit with the delegates for 30 minutes, explain our offering, and because of the pre-work that Millennium Alliance has done in kind of surveying what these delegates are interested in, I'm only really talking to people that are already interested in my solution, which makes the conversation go a lot easier. And I walk away really thinking that this is great. I've got a real good prospective client on the line. Apart from the meetings being awesome, is that Millennium Alliance has really allowed for additional networking opportunities outside of it. Cocktail hour, dinner, breakfast, lunch. They sit you with people that you don't necessarily know so that you can engage in conversation with them. And I would say just through that process, I've made as many connections of people that are interested in what we're doing as I have through the meetings. And so it's just, when I get home, I'm gonna have a lot of work to do.
We were completely prepared. We had everything in advance so well planned out and sent to us that there was like no detail that was left out. We knew exactly what we were doing, exactly who we were meeting with, exactly what we needed to bring, exactly what the conversations we were gonna have were. We had access to the highest quality executives. We had a woman sit down and say, "You never would have gotten me on the phone. I have the best gatekeeper. You are so lucky that you're here and have a meeting with me right now." I can't believe how high quality these attendees are. It's been amazing to actually have so many meetings within 2 days with such high quality people. It's been great.
We knew all along that we would get access to decision makers, access that if you're in the industry as long as I've been, you realize is impossible to get in any other way. You will spend 1,000 hours, $1,000 trying to crawl up ladders, open doors to people that get 20 emails a day talking about vendors. They are shopping for things, and they will tell you what they're shopping about at the Millennium Alliance in their needs assessment workbook. You then choose the ones that look like they're shopping for something that you might be able to provide. You meet some bright, interesting people, all different levels of organizations, top C-suite type folks, medical directors, presidents, CEOs, and that's what the value is. The value is a highly condensed marketing opportunity because they're here to buy, you're here to sell. This is a business conference for business people in a very effective and concentrated way. That's why we're coming back again.